with another segment of the King of Happy Hour. We are here today at
Dirty Birds.
So not only is it Dirty Birds, but it's Sunday Fun Day, and they are having the Chargers-Steelers game in the background. So let's go check it out. Come on. So we're inside of Dirty Birds now with one of the wonderful waitresses. And what was your name?
Nisha.
Hi, Nisha. And so we were going to ask you, we're at Dirty Birds, and Dirty Birds is famous for its wings. So can you tell me what is the most popular wing that you serve here?
Probably the Dirty Ranch wing.
And what is the Dirty Ranch wing?
It's ranch dressing and buffalo wing sauce mixed together. It's really good.
That sounds really good, because most of the time you're dipping your buffalo wings in your ranch sauce anyway, so a mixture together is kind of no-brainer. You serve breakfast as well now, right?
Yes.
And when did you start that?
We started that about a month ago.
Perfect. It's going well so far?
Yeah, it's been good.
Good. So not only can you come to Dirty Birds for their fabulous wings, but you can also now come for breakfast, so you need to come down and check it out.
That's how it's done.
So we're here at Dirty Birds in Pacific Beach, and we're checking out the infamous wings that they are well known for. So right here we have the Dirty Ranch, we have regular buffalo, we've got barbecue, and we've got honey hot. These are apparently some of the best that are on the menu, so we're gonna dig in, check it out. Y'all ready for this? Let's go. These are very good. I've got the honey hot. Highly recommend it. This is delicious.
These are the best wings at the beach, hands down, King approved. San Diego, there's a reason why Dirty Birds is the kings of wings.
We've seen some of the wonderful artwork that is showing all the happy hours that go on here. We're here with Ben. He is the artist of the moment, and as you saw earlier, he did a wonderful King of Happy Hour logo for us. So Ben, how are you today?
I'm doing great. How about you?
I'm good. We've got a really good time here, and your artwork is amazing.
Thank you so much.
Can you tell me how you got into it?
Well, actually, I work for Trader Joe's, and that's how I started my side business, doing chalk art for bars. And I literally found these guys just by walking in here and having some beers and some food. And I met Johnny, and he asked me to do his chalkboards for him.
That's really good. You do a really good job. And
Thank
it
you.
really brings something different, because you see happy hour specials. They're all just written up on the board. There's a
Yeah.
lot of animation to go with it, and it looks really, really well done. So congratulations on that.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So we're going to go ahead and wrap it up here at Dirty Birds in Pacific Beach. We've had a great time. We've had some really good flavors you would not usually expect, which is really good. Delicious. Come down and check them out. But we're going to go to our next spot, which is going to be King
Sneak Joint in Mission Beach. Let's go.
Check it out. Bye.
When you're enjoying the weekend in Pacific Beach, swing on by Dirty Birds for $2 mimosas, $4 Bloody Marys, and $8 bottles of champagne. Dirty Birds is the king of wings, with half-price pitchers and wings Monday through Friday from 3 to 6, and on Tuesday from open to close. Hey, all you Monday Night Football fans, come on by for $13.99 all-you-can-eat wings and $10 buckets of Keystone Lights.